Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how you can install and use the Eigen C++ library on your Windows platform. And after this I will show you how you can link your C++ library with your Eigen library in 3 different ways. So the first way is by directly using the command prompt commands, and the second way is by configuring the VS Code directly, and the last way is by using the CMakeList method. So first of all, we are going to install this library. So for this we have to move our computer screen. So in order to install the library, we have to open our browser, and in the browser we have to search for the Eigen C++ library and press enter and go into this site Eigen, click on it. And as you can see here, the latest release from the Eigen library is 3.4.0. So before installing this library, we have to read its documentation first in order to follow each step for the proper installation and the usage of this library. So go into the documentation and we are going into the get started guide and open it in a new tab. And as you can see here how we can install the Eigen. So to install the Eigen, we have to download and extract the Eigen source code, which we can find on this wiki page. Just click on it and open it in a new tab. And as you can see, the latest release is 3.4.0 and you can download it from here. You can download it in either tar or in a zip file. So I'm going to download it as a zip. Just click on it. It will automatically start the download here, and it will take few seconds to complete this download. As you can see that the download is completed, so open it in a folder. And next we are going to extract our zip folder. So go on it, and I'm going to use the WinRAR to extract my zip file. And next we have to extract it. I'm going to extract it in the same downloads folder. Just click on OK. It will take few seconds to extract this folder completely. And after the complete extraction, next we are going to see how we can use this library in our C++ program. So next I'm going to create the example C++ program in which we are going to use this library. So in order to write the C++ program, we have to open our compiler. For this I have to go into my CMD and run it as an administrator. Next we are going to in our working directory. My working directory is in C YouTube, and the next thing is we have to create our example folder. I am creating a new folder with the name of Eigen, and now I'm going to inside this folder Eigen. And next we have to open the compiler from this folder. So I'm going to use the VS Code. For this I have to type here code space dot space minus minus no sandbox and press enter. So it will open the VS Code from my working directory Eigen. So next we are going to create our sample file with the name of the test.cpp and press enter. And now we are going to write our first program here utilizing the Eigen C++ library. So we have to go back here in the website of the Eigen, and we have to copy this example code and just copy it and paste it on your compiler. In this our example program, we are just creating the simple matrix of the dimension 2 cross 2, and next we are just placing the entries inside our rows and columns. And next we are going to print our matrix here with the name of the M. And next we are going to compile our program, and for this we are going to use the GCC compiler or the G++ compiler, and you have to type here -i to include the Eigen library. And our Eigen library right now is in the download folders. So just open here and go into the downloads, and this is our Eigen library. Just go inside the Eigen and copy this folder and paste it in our working directory, and just paste it here and continue. So after pasting the Eigen library into our working directory, we are going to copy its path from here. Just copy path and just paste it here. So now our compiler should know that our Eigen library is here. And next we are going to give the path of our CPP file. The CPP file is in the same working directory. So we just have to type here the name of our CPP file, which is test.cpp. And next for the output file, we have to type here -o, and our output file should be with the name of the out.txt. And if you press enter, it is going to compile our program and generate the new file here out.txt, which contains the output of our file. And if I run this file, you can see the results from this program. So our first entry is 3, our second entry here is 2.5, and our third entry is -1 here, and our fourth entry is the addition of these two entries. 2.5 minus 1 is 1.5, which is here. So this is how you can use the Eigen library in your C++ program. The next thing is, if you don't want to write this command again and again, and you don't want to write the path for the Eigen library again and again, you can directly set this path in your VS Code. So you can directly run the program from your VS Code. So how you can do it? You have to go here in the play button sign. If you don't have this play button sign, you can get it from the extensions. Just go here in the extensions and type here runner in the search bar and install this one, C++ runner. After installing it, you will get this play button sign. So after getting this play button sign, you have to go here and you have to click here on run C++ file. Just click on here, and we are going to use the G++ compiler. Just click it here. As you can see, we are getting some error. Just click on debug anyway and cancel it, and the error is here, no file or directory for the Eigen library. So it is not finding our Eigen library. So to fix it, you can simply go here in the new folder generated .vs code, just expand it, go here in the task.json, and here you can add the path for your Eigen library here. Just place the comma here and put 2 commas here, put here -i, which is the includes, and next again comma, and create 2 commas again, and next paste the path for your Eigen library here inside these commas, and replace this single slash with the double slash sign, and this is it. Save your task.json file and go back test.cpp. If you again run your C++ file, now it is compiling your C++ file. As you can see that the compilation is successful and it has generated the new file with the name of test.exe. So if you run this test.exe file from your CMD, so you can get the output. So in this way, you don't have to write this command in your compiler. You can directly run your and compile your file from this play button. The next thing is, if you are using the CMake list for your project and you want to use the Eigen library from your CMake list, for this you have to create a new file here. Just click on the plus button and create the new file with the name of CMakeLists.txt and press enter. And next we have to configure it so it can find the Eigen library and connect this Eigen library with our C++ file. So to do this, you can go on the browser and you can go here in general topics and go here using Eigen in CMake projects, and you can simply copy it as it is from here and paste it in your CMake list. So what it is doing, it is using the CMake minimum required version of 3, and you can create the project and give the name of your project here, my project, and my project name is Eigen, and you can place the Eigen here. And to find the library, you can simply here find package Eigen 3, and we are using the Eigen 3.4. you can change it here 3.4 and required no module and add executable, and here is your output file name and here is your CPP file name. So my CPP file name is test.cpp. Now I'm going to place this test.cpp in the source folder. So I'm going to create a new folder with the name of source. So I am moving my CPP file in the source folder, move it here, and now my CPP file is in the source folder. Just type here source and give the name of your CPP file, which is test.cpp, which is in the source folder. And next we have to link the Eigen library with our output file. So for this you have to type your target link libraries, and here is your Eigen library, and you are linking this library with the example variable, and inside the example variable is our test.cpp file here. So the next thing, we have to create our build folder in order to build this program and generate the output. You can create the build folder here inside your working directory, and this is it. In order to compile your program, now you have to go here into your build folder and type here CMake space ... and press enter, and you are getting the error here. It is not finding the eigen3 config.cmake. The error you got here, it is because of you have never built your Eigen library. So first you have to build your Eigen library also. So you have to go here inside the Eigen library here from your CMD, go back and go inside your Eigen library here, and you have to create a new folder also here with the name of build, and go inside this build folder and type here CMake space ... and press enter. Now it is building your Eigen library. It will take few minutes to complete this process. So after the successful build of this library, you will get these messages in the end: configuration done, generation done. It means your build is successful. And next you have to go back and go back here into your working directory Eigen, and you have to go in the build folder. Now you can build your program. Now it will find the Eigen libraries. Just type here CMake space dot dot and press enter. As you can see that now we will get no error and our build is successful again. Configuration done, generation done, and the next thing we are going to create the exe file, the output of our file. So for this you can see here in the build folder we have also the .sln file which is used inside the Visual Studio. So we don't have the Visual Studio, so how we can create the output from this file? So you can simply go back to your terminal and type here CMake --build space dot and --, you have to give the config, and our config is release. You can simply type a release and press enter. Now it is generating the output from our file, and as you can go back in your build folder, you can see here the release folder. Go inside your release folder, you can see the example.exe, which is the same file as you have given the name here. So now you can run our example.exe and see the output, which is in the release folder and example.exe. as you can see the output from here. So in this way you can use the Eigen library from the CMake list. So I hope you have liked this tutorial. So if you are new on my channel, you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.